Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about aside. So whenever we explain something, so first we define it. So let me define it, and after that I'll give you some examples and then I'll explain it, so then you will learn it. So the definition is, it refers to a remark in a play that is intended to be heard by the audience but unheard by the other character in the play. What does it mean by this definition? Simply, it means that it is a technique used in drama when there are characters on the stage, but when among the characters a character says something, but his speech is not supposed to be heard by the characters on the stage, but it is intended to be heard by the audience. For example, a little more than kin and less than kind. These lines are taken from Hamlet by Shakespeare, and it is the example of aside because his uncle Claudius calls him my son and nephew. Then the character Hamlet says to the audience, a little more than kin and less than kind, because he and the audience know that Claudius killed his father and took the throne. But when he says these words or these lines, his uncle on the stage does not hear it, but the audience hear it, so this is aside. So, if someone asks this question from you, that why do the dramatists use aside? So your answer should be like this. The answer is because the dramatists want to reveal the thoughts of the character to the audience, or the intention of the character to the audience. So that is why the dramatists use the technique of aside. Well guys, if you have enjoyed my lecture, please like and subscribe the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.